In our School of Business, our mission statement is to build ethical leaders for the challenges of the future.
We pride ourselves on instilling responsible citizenhood in our students, and we blend that into our program.
We were one of the very first schools that realized this opportunity and made a program in a master's degree in AI.
Villanova teaches us how to use AI responsibly and ethically. The programs help me become a better leader by learning and understanding how to use it as a tool in the workplace rather than as a replacement.
All of the knowledge I've learned so far, it's helped me when I'm talking to my managers about different ways to streamline the processes of our pipeline.
The program here really emphasizes knowing and understanding your data before you move on to anything else. Learning how to analyze that initial data and getting it into a structured, workable form is probably one of the most important lessons I've learned here.
The most attractive thing about this Villanova program was the flexibility of it. The professors and everyone that we worked with were very adaptable to your own individual schedules.
The professors here have just been super helpful, and they've gone above and beyond. The Villanova network is very strong, and when I reach out to a Villanova alum, they're more than happy to not just connect, but also help me in any way that they can.